In this video, I'm going to show you how to escalate privileges in AWS. So I've created a user. Just imagine you're working in one of the organizations and you have full IAM access for your account. So how you gonna escalate privileges? So this user one, I logged in as user one. He got IAM full access. So he got only IAM full access. If I click on EC2, it's not going to work because this user one doesn't have any access to this EC2 or any other services. He just got IAM full access. So in this case, what I can do, I can jump into IAM. Then I can create a new user by using this user one because it got full access. So I'm going to create user 2. I'm going to give it console access. Then I'm going to create a custom password. Okay. And then click on next, then attach a policy. So I'm gonna give administrator access to this user. So click on next. So now what I can do, I can log in as a user 2. User 2, then now this user 2 have user 2 has all access because we attached administrator policy to this user 2. This way one can simply escalate the privileges. So in order to avoid this, we can use permission boundaries. See, this user can access anything. Thank you for watching.